It's been about a couple of weeks that I've been using the iPhone XS Max, and in theory it has been great, but realistically I had some major issue with this phone that we're gonna discuss in this video.
3, 2, 1.
It's been about a couple of weeks that I've been using this phone, and relatively it has been working great without any problem. However, as days passed on, I realized minor issues that I had with the phone, and let's talk about it. So the first problem that I had with this phone was durability. Believe it or not, the first couple of days that I dropped my phone, and it dropped from waist down, so it wasn't that big of a fall, but right there and then on the first impact, this is what happened. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I cracked my phone. And if you are using a case and a glass screen protector, that might not be an issue for you, but it is good to know that this phone is not bulletproof and it gets scratched and damaged as easy as any other phone. I don't care how bad they want to say this is crystal sapphire and it's durable. No, it is sapphire, but it's not 100% sapphire, and it can't be 100% sapphire glass because of the touchscreen sensitivity, pressure, and all of those. But it's one of the problems that I think you should be careful about using this phone without a case. Personally, I decided to just rock with it, and now that it's broken, I really don't care how I handle my phone, and I just keep it at that. I was thinking about changing it, but then I decided to just roll with it, and it doesn't really bother me since it's so little in the bottom. The next issue that I have with this phone that I think it's a major flaw that no update can fix it is the microphone. Yes, the microphone. When I put this phone on speaker, there is only a certain way that I can hold my phone and be able to talk to the other person that I'm talking to. The majority of time when I put my phone on speaker is because I'm doing something with my phone and I don't have my AirPods on. Well, if this is you, then you have a problem, because normally I hold my phone like this. Now, in long time ago, Apple had the same issue with the antenna, and they just announced that don't hold your phone this way. So I don't know, but here's the deal. If you hold your phone like this, the other person that you're talking to won't be able to hear you because the microphone is right here. And if you're blocking this, they can't hear you. So if you hold your phone like this, they won't be able to hear you. Or if you hold your phone like this and you're trying to use it while you're talking, there is no microphone right here, or there is no microphone on both sides. So you need to hold your phone in a certain way to be able to talk. Another issue that I have, again, goes back to holding the phone, is that if you hold your phone like this, you will lose signal. And this is really bad, because a lot of time when I hold my phone, I'm just holding it like this and I'm just browsing. Well, you hold your phone like this, you lose antenna bar and you lose Wi-Fi connectivity. This is horrible. I think this is a major flaw in this $1,200 phone. Starting at $1,100, I think they should have done something about it. Another issue that I had with this phone while using it was that if you turn the phone off in this manner, put it on standby, put it on sleep, whatever, and you connect your charger to it, it won't charge it. I think that's gonna get fixed with another update, but as far as right now, that's another problem that I have with this phone. Other than that, the phone has been great. The new chip that they put inside, I think it works good. The size works good for me. The layout is good. The new update is good. Apple is catching up. And the reason that they're so far behind is because Apple tries to patent everything and make it themselves. They don't want to use anything that is not theirs. And they want to use everything that they solely own. So that's where the problems come about. But phone has major issues. I believe these couple of issues that I mentioned, it's a huge deal breaker for some people, and that is why Apple stock went down the past couple of days. But quick videos on my couple of grinds that I have against this phone. I hope the next generation next year won't have this problem, but as of right now, these are the issues that we're facing. Until then, stay happy, stay classy, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Also, before I end this video, I'm doing a giveaway on a brand new Apple Watch Series 4 on my website, so head on down to the link below. On the right column side, you'll see a little box that says giveaway. Click on it and then sign up. I do giveaway every 15 days, so if you missed this one, sign up for the next one.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.